Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I'm driving to a car meet. It's not a car show, it's a car meet here in my local area in Dallas. And I'm gonna be driving to Addison, Texas, which is from my house like 10 minutes away. And I don't know why they're gonna make, well, I kind of know why, because here in Texas, when it's between 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. it's so hot, above 110, 108. So I'm assuming that's why they doing the car meet today. It's gonna start at 7:30 and it's gonna end up at 10 p.m. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be there the whole 3 hours, but I'm gonna be there for sure. I'm on my way. And since I put the chin spoiler for Magic Drift, and I did the LED lights on the car, and I did the window tints, and it looks really good, so I just want to take it to a car meet and see what other people think about the car. And the video that's gonna be next after this video is gonna be the calipers, which I already choose the color of the calipers. But today's video is gonna be about this car meet. It's gonna be a short video. I'm just gonna give you a walk around and see what kind of cars do we have. And I'm just curious about what kind of Mustangs. Like, I know it's gonna be a lot of 15 Mustangs, but I'm trying to see if I can find another new age Mustang between 99 and 04 Mustang Mach 1s, 03, 04 Cobras. Because believe it or not, these cars are more rare each year to find them in good condition. So I just wanna go to this car meet and see what kind of cars we can see. And yeah, so catch me guys later at the meet. What's up guys? As you guys can see, we have a beautiful background with a sunset, and we have a lineup of good cars, mostly Japanese cars, one American, Japanese, and we have a beautiful background, as you guys can see. And there is a Mustang looking good. Believe it or not, it's my first car meet with this car. I used to brought the Cobra, the 2015 Coyote, the Corvette, and today is the day that I brought this 04 Mustang. And there's a lot of cars. I'm just a little bit lazy to walk, but yeah, I'm trying to see. I'm just gonna walk and trying to see what kind of cars are like around the area. But there's also motorcycles. The Honda Chrome. There's also motorcycles. I used to have one exactly like the one that goes on the front. That's a Suzuki Gixxer 600. I had two 600, one 750. Oh no, three 600 and one 750. There's a drone.
Oh yeah.
Even if they do have
check this out. It's really low. I don't know if it is on backs or not. I think it is. Yeah, hell yeah, both of these. There is LFA, no, CRF, and a McLaren. Damn, that's a beautiful McLaren. So after you guys saw the beautiful McLaren, check this out. So freaking crazy Subaru STI. Damn, most of these cars have airbags. All these lined up has airbags pretty much. Okay guys, so I already walked the entire parking lot, and that's the first new age Mustang GT that it shows up, and it's really low. It's just him and me with new age Mustang. Other than that, it's just Japanese cars. That McLaren is the only exotic tonight, and that's a GT, and it's the same color as mine. It's the same color, fire red. I'm trying to see if he makes a left. Yeah, that's a GT. Same color as mine. So yeah guys, we are the only two new age Mustangs in the whole parking lot. That's a beautiful BMW. We are the only ones, the only new age Mustangs. That one is a GT, like the silver one that I used to have. It's also, this one is an 03. That one that I used to have, the silver one, was an 04 40 anniversary. That one is really beautiful. I thought they were the same paint, but they're not. So That one is a 5-speed, and that one's lower, and I think it has a flow masters, and it's lower. It's lower on 18s. It looks really good. I just met the owner. He follows me on Instagram. Damn, that little thing is supercharged. That little thing is a supercharged. I heard it when it was coming. So as you guys can see, it's already late, and yeah, that was it for today's video. And check out the McLaren, and check out the Tesla. And yeah, guys, the GT Mustang owner just left, and I'm also leaving, and I think the meet it's over. Everybody's leaving. Yeah, everybody's leaving. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys until next time. Peace.